Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my video. In this video I will be going over a live trading tutorial when it comes to trading meme coins. I'll be discussing some of my trades, and this video mainly builds on the previous video where I talked about how to trade meme coins with only $100. I decided to invest $100 into trading meme coins, and that's why I will be going over some of my trades I took with a low portfolio of only $100. If you managed to enjoy the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and family. And if you can, if you want me to create more videos on these topics, make sure to come over to action.trade/moon4live. This is my referral. You will get 10% off fees for when you trade meme coins, and that will really help you in long term when you decide to trade meme coins, because fees will really eat your trades. So if you can get 10% back of fees, that will really save you a lot of money. So I really recommend signing up with my referral and trading meme coins. So let's get started. So here I built up some of my trades. So here, this is the first trade. So this is a coin called Soul Biscuits. So I'll be just going quickly over the narrative and why I decided to buy this coin. And as you can see, I bought this coin with 0.1 Soul. Like I discussed in my previous video, if you start with a low portfolio of only $100, you should be trading with only 100 with 0.1 Soul per trade. So here, so the narrative, the coin is called Soul Biscuits. So I saw this coin, and when I went over to the Twitter, there's an account created about a coin called Tori Soul Biscuit. Tori said Soul Biscuit. Oh, he does this run. I mean, Soul Biscuit has source of Solana. So the narrative of this coin is about Tori, who's a famous crypto influencer, tweeting about the keyword called Soul Biscuit, and he's really famous in the crypto scene. As you can see, he has 651k followers. He's the co-founder of Solana Labs, and yeah, basically he tweeted about this on October 27, 25, and someone decided to make a coin about it. So someone made a coin called Soul Biscuit, and you expect the price to go up because famous KOL talked about it. So as you can see, where did I enter? So I entered around about around 35k. So I saw volume increasing. As you can see, the coin went from like 8 to 35k in like seconds. And I aimed it at the right time, and so the coin went up to around what's it called, 80k. So I sold it here. Why did I sold it here? Because I saw volume kind of fading away, and that's really important when it comes to trading meme coins. You should look at when the volume is fading away, whether holders are decreasing, whether the price is gaining like some bearish momentum, and so that's what I did. But that was the wrong choice. I should have maybe held it for some time, even though the price experienced some drops, because the price after that went up to around 160k. So you can see people are buying, but I made it around like 0 to or I made like around like 2 times my initial investment, which is really what I recommend doing. So I quickly got out, because when you're trading with low portfolio, you should always you should try to like exit at like when the price goes up by 100% or like 2 times, because you can like progressively scale if you keep taking such trades instead of like waiting for 10 times bumps, which I discussed in my previous video, because the chance of that happening is not that likely. So that's why I got out when the price went from 35k to 75k. I took my profit there because that hit the 2 times mark. Even though the price went up after, you should just focus on like taking these 2 times trades as a beginner, because you can progressively scale if you keep taking such trades, and you can keep making more money instead of waiting for like a 10 times bump, which usually doesn't happen, and the price just goes down. So if I didn't exit here, and I just kept waiting, the price would have come down to let's say 20k, and I would have lost my money. So so that's the trade. That's the first trade, and as you can see, global fees also above 10, so I knew it was legit. So volume and holders increasing. The dev has made so many coins in the past. It's legit dev. It's not some bundled BS. So and yeah, that's just like the first trade I took. So let's just go over to the second trade. So the second trade basically is a coin called Memecoin, and I bought it with 0 to 1 Soul again. And so if you look at this coin sparked like crazy. Here, where did I buy this coin? I bought this coin around 98k. I exited around 175k. So what's this coin about? So this coin, which is called Memecoin CTO, it was showed by like some massive crypto influencer created this coin. He has like 200-300k subscribers or like followers on Twitter, and so like the price just quickly went up like crazy, because this famous influencer made this coin. I don't remember his name. I think maybe if I go to let's see, I'm not sure who made it, but when it comes to trading meme coins, you should be looking at the narrative and like if there's some KOL that sells the coin, if there's some meme coin created by someone with 1 million followers on Twitter, he's really famous and active in the crypto scene, obviously the price will spark and go up. So that's why I knew this coin was going to go crazy. That's why I entered it around 98k, and I didn't really see much drop. I just only saw volume and holders increasing, so you expect the price to keep going up even more. Here, as you can see, there's just a big green candle, or you only see green candles, you don't see any red candles. So, and I entered the coin around 98k, the coin went around 175k. It was a quick 75% profit, but I exited because I saw like price dropping and volume and holders kind of fading away. But I shouldn't have done that because the price went to like 200k, so I could have like made more profit. But if you see like volume or holders fading away, and you see much a red candle, you should like exit and take your profit if you're in profit. So that's the second coin. So this coin was about like a famous crypto influencer making this coin, and like the price going up like crazy. So if you see someone like a very famous crypto influencer, he has 400k followers on Twitter, he makes a coin and shows it, obviously the price is going to go up. It's going to be hyped, or it's going to get hyped, and people are going to look more towards it. So that's the second trade I took. So this is the third trade, one of the last trades. So I bought this coin with 0.1 Sol. I sold 0.149 Sol. So, and then just look at this coin. Okay, this is a really long chart. But anyways, I entered around 96k, I acted around 151k. What the narrative was about is, so Nvidia, they announced that they were going to invest $1 billion into Nokia. So had to do with like the current news about Nvidia investing into Nokia, and obviously this coin is dedicated to that news. So Nvidia is one of the like the wealthiest companies in the world, and obviously people are this hype and people are going to look more towards it. So I aped this coin around 98k and I sold it at 96k, and I sold it around 150k. There was also community created towards it, and there were 520 members in it. People were shilling it. Their Nokia stock, Nokia surged nearly 30% after announcing $1 billion investment from Nvidia. So after Nvidia announced that they would be investing in Nokia, the stock price of Nokia also went up like crazy, and this coin is basically dedicated to that. And you see people, you saw people shilling it in the community, or like shilling it, and like the community was just very active. So like here, we need to wait for people connecting to this. Nvidia and Nokia will be working together to change the world with $1 billion investment. Huge things to come from Nokia. So you should always look at the narrative if there's community created towards it, if people are active, and that's what basically I did. So yeah. Now this one is really long chart, so I don't know where exactly I entered, but something that aside, we can get to the last trade I took. And why did I sell at 57%? Because I likely saw or like experienced price drops, or the price like experienced price drops, and I saw the volume kind of fading, or holders kind of fading away. So I just decided to take my profits there. As you can see, like the price here was around 250k, it came down to 58k, so the price was experiencing massive volume decrease. And holders were also kind of fading away, so that's what you should be looking at when it comes to trading meme coins. And always buy with 0.1 Sol if you want to make some profit. And when it comes to buying or selling, you should be looking at like 50% dips, or you can just 50-60% dips. You can also look at the RSI factor, which I discussed in my previous video, and like price retracement after your bottom is formed. Or you could like look at just take conviction trades if you know the narrative is good and price is just will inevitably go up. It doesn't matter where you enter, you expect the price to go up, so you will make profit. So I'm not sure if I really looked at like applied any technical analysis when it comes to this trade, but yeah, you would expect the price to go up because like Nvidia is one of the most famous companies in the world, or tech companies in the world. If they announce a partnership with Nokia, obviously it's going to be high, people are going to look more towards it. So you have to just be kind of smart and know what's going on, and kind of analyze these meme coins. So what is this coin about? Let's just look at it 1 second chart. This coin, so should I just build it Twitter? So this has to do with like Project Zero, Caps AI. So first of all, we see like very famous Twitter account Caps AI, which is basically some AI Twitter tweeted about some company called Project Zero, which they introduced as like an AI company, like a first zero person company that leverages AI agents, blah blah. And we have seen like if you if you're kind of active on X, you should know that there were these AI coins that were popping up. So obviously that was kind of the meta. So I took this trade, and I entered around 16k because I saw like volume and holders increasing, and the price went up to around 25k. I exited actually at the right time. Why did I exit there and take my profit? Because I saw volume fading away. So and people like also look at like I also saw KOLs like famous crypto influencers and wallets, smart wallets that I'm tracking. They also kind of sold at that time. So I also decided to sell at the time, and I was right because the price went down to like around 10k. As you can see here, the price is around 10k here. And if you want to be like myself when it comes to trading meme coins, you should always take profit at like 50% and like sell 80%. You can keep the 20% rest of the moon back. But if you see like holders and volume fading away, you should just sell at a time. Yeah, that's kind of it. So you should always analyze the narrative. What's the narrative about? Is there a community, or are the people KOLs that they're shitting at? Is there like a sudden volume or holder increase? So also the time your entries, enter at the right time, exit at the right time. And but if you can also just take conviction trades when it comes to trading meme coins. If you know the meme coin has a good narrative and you expect the price to go up, you can just enter at any time if you think it's going to be worth more in the future. So that's kind of it. So in the previous video I went over on how to start trading meme coins with $100. In this video I showed some of my trades I took with $100. So I invested 31 so into each trade, and I decided to make profit, and that's kind of it for the video. So if you enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, share it, and if you want me to create more videos, just like come to my referral asking the trades for life, sign up and start trading. It will really help me, and I can keep making more videos about meme coins. So that was it.